Good morning, children. Welcome back. Today we are going to learn in this video how to find the square root of a number within few seconds. Most of the students feel difficult to solve larger numbers root by long division method, isn't it? So for those children, it is an alternate and easy way to find the square root. So today we are finding square root of 3-digit, 4-digit and 5-digit numbers within 2 seconds without calculation here. So let me start. Okay. So let me start. Here we are finding the square root of any numbers without calculation. Okay, within 2 seconds. So before starting, we should know the unit digit of the numbers what are coming. For example, 0, it's coming 0, isn't it? Like as 1 and 9, unit digit will be 1. 4 and 6, it will be 4. 5, it's always 5. Then 6 and 4, always 6. 9 and 1, it is always 9. So, first I am taking a 3-digit number, that is root of 576. So, first you can see the unit digit, that is 6. So, their unit place, maybe it is 4, yeah, otherwise 6. So, keep it like that only, that we will see last. Okay. First you have to see the another pair, means here only one digit is there, that is 5. So, near the number we have to take same square, yeah, below the number. So here 2 2 jar 4, isn't it? 3 3 jar will come bigger of 4. So we will take 2. So our first number will be 2. Okay. Now see next number of 2. 2 का आगे क्या है 3. So 2 3 jar 6. So 6 is greater than 5, isn't it? So you have to compare the product of first digit and the next digit of that number. Means here we got 2, so 2 into 3, 6. So 5 is smaller than 6. Then you have to take the smaller digit. So here 4 and 6, 4 is smaller. So the answer is 24. Clear? Means what we have to do? First see the unit digit, then what are the numbers are coming in unit digit. In mind you can keep the numbers. Okay. Then next number, if maybe if it is a 4-digit number, then we will get a 2-digit. If it is a 3-digit number, then we will get only 1 digit. It's 5-digit, then we have to take all 3 digits together. Okay. So here the number is a 5. So we know that 2 2 is 4. So we will take a 2. Then multiply with the next number. Means here we got a 2. So next number is 3. So 2 3 is 6. Now you compare 5 and 6. If 5 is smaller, then we have to put the smaller number. Instead of that, if we are getting a bigger number, then we have to take the bigger one. Clear? So the answer is 24. Let's see another. Another example is a 4-digit number, that is 5184. Here two pairs 84 and 51. Okay. So 4 we know that 2 and 8. Okay. So first see 51. 51 is 7 7 ja 49. 8 8 ja 64. So that is bigger. So now 7, next number of 7, 8. 7 8 ja 56. So 51 is smaller than 56. So we have to take the smaller number. So the answer is 72. Clear? Now take a 5-digit number, that is 10,609. Here first you have to pair 2-digit and the other all 3 together you have to keep. Okay. So 9, 9, 4, 9, 3 and 7 are the unit digits. So keep it like that only. Now you have to see 106. So 10 square is 100, 11 square is 121, isn't it? So we have to take a 10. The next number is 11. 10 into 11, 110. So here 106 is smaller than 110. So we have to take the smaller number. So the answer is 103. Clear? Now some more example we can take. Again I am taking a 3-digit number. 729. So for 9, 3 and 7 is there. So keep it like that only. Now you have to see 7. For 7, 2 2 ja 4, isn't it? Now 2 3 ja 6. But here 7 is greater. So we have to take the greater number. So the answer is 27. Clear? Now next number 49 means 4096. For 6, 4 and 6 is there. Okay. So 40, 6 6 jar 36. Then next number 6 7 jar 42. So 40 is smaller than 42. So we have to take the smaller number. So 64 is the answer. Now next one is 10,816. Last number is 6. So number will come 4 or 6. But here it is 108. 10 tens are 100. So 10 into 11, 110. 110 is greater than 108. So what will come? Smaller number. So 104. Clear? Now let's continue. Here before starting, I am giving you some tricks how to remember the numbers of unit place. Okay. If it is 1, then first number we know that 1. Then what is the next number? For remembering that, you see that the sum will be always 10. Means 1 plus what is 10? 1 plus 9. So 1 and 9 are the numbers. If the unit place 1 is there, then the numbers are 1 and 9. Means if you know one number, then second number and other number you can find it easily. Means always the sum of the two digit will be 10. Then for example, next to 4. In the unit place it is 4. Then one number we know that 2. Then what should be the next number? That is 8. So because 2 plus 8, 10. Then 9. For first number, it will be 3. Then what should be the next number? 3 plus 7, 10. So, of course, it is 7. Third number, that is 6. So, one number is 4. Then other number is 6. 4 plus 6, 10. For 0, it is 0 only. For 5, it is only 5. Clear? So, it is the easy way to remember the unit digit of the numbers. Means only you have to know the one digit. Then the other digit automatically you will get it. Okay. Now let's see some more example. It's very fastly you have to do. Okay. So first number is 784. So here 4. So the numbers are 2 and 8. Keep it like that only. The next number is 7. 2 2 ja 4. 2 3 ja 6. 6 is smaller than 7, isn't it? Means inside the number that is greater. So we have to take the greater number. So 2 8. 28 is the answer. Next one is 2116. So here for 6, we know that 4 and 6. Keep it like that only. The next 21, 4 4 are 16, isn't it? Then for next number of 4, 5. 4 5 are 20. So 21 is greater. So bigger number we have to take. So that is 46. Now 33, 64. So here also 4 is there. So 2 and 8 are the numbers. Okay. Now 31. 33. So for 33, we will take 5 5 are 25, isn't it? So then 5 6 are 30. 30 is smaller, 33 is bigger, isn't it? So we have to take the bigger number. So 58. Now next a 5-digit number 11664. So for same 2 and 8, then 116 we can see 10 10 are 100, 11 11 121. So we will take a 10. The next number is 11. 10 into 11, 110. But 116 is bigger. So we have to take a bigger number. So 108. Getting? Now next 11025. So here 5 is there. So unit place is 5. No need to see. 110 there. You have to see 10 tens are 100. No need to see any other number. That is 10 only. So the answer is 105. Okay. 0 digit and 5 digit. No need to see more numbers there. Okay. Now next one 16641. 41, 1 and 9. Isn't it? Now 166. So 12 12 jar 144. 13 13 means 169 is there. So that is lesser, means 166 is lesser than 169. So we will take a 12. So 12 144. 12 into 13. How to find it? 12 into 13. 2 3 are 6. 2 plus 3 5. 156. So 156 is smaller than 166, isn't it? So bigger number we will take 129. Now 7569. So for 9, what are the numbers? 3 and 7. So 75, what will come? 8 8 just 64. The next number 8 9 just 72. So 75 is a bigger, so we will take bigger number. So answer is 87. 39 69. For 9, 3 and 7. 39, 6 6 ja 36. 6 7 ja 42. So 39 is smaller, so we will take a smaller number. Remember? So are you getting? It's easy, no? So means what you have to see, only the unit digit that you have to keep, because there two numbers are there. So means finalizing the one digit unit digit, you have to see the previous number. So here whatever number you are getting, so multiply the next number, then compare the numbers with the product and the given number. So the given number is depending on the given number, our answer will come. Because given number is smaller, then we will put a smaller number. Given number is bigger than the product, so we will put a bigger number. Okay. So for finding two digit for example, here in between you have to multiply 12 and 13. So how could we find easily? So you have to do 2 3 jar 6, 2 plus 3 5, 1 1 jar 1. If both the digit are means one digit numbers, 11, 12, 13 like that, then you can multiply only the unit digit, then add the unit digit, and last one you have to put there, then you will get the answers. Means simply you can multiply the any two digit numbers. If it is a bigger number, then also how could you do? First unit multiply the unit digit, then cross multiply and add the numbers, then multiply the last number. For example, 21 into 44. So 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 6, 4 1 ja 4, 6 plus 4 10, baki 1. So 4 2 ja 8 plus 1 9. So like that. Okay, you will get it easily. That is also one trick. If you want, I will give one more video in next time. Okay, but here you are having one task there. You have to find these squares of these numbers within 2 seconds. I hope you clear the trick. Understood now how to find it? Is very simple. Here the numbers I have already given: 4,624, 6,921, 676, 2,916, 12,769, 6,724. Okay, so find the square root of these numbers within 2 seconds and reply me how much time you have taken to find the squares of these numbers. I don't want any answer. Okay. So here we are winding up this session, but before winding up the session, I want to say only one thing. You need more practice to make it as easy. So if you are doing at least 20 sums, then you will get the concept clear. Okay, at least 20 is required here because it's a big numbers. But once you completed the task, then you can do it lifelong. You will get the concept, isn't it? So if you are clear the concept, then you can solve it more faster than me. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful for you. If it is helped you, then like it and give the reply. Okay, thank you.